Hi Verna, I'm looking at your logo here. I don't have your one font. You haven't outlined this font yet, so you might want to do that before you turn it in. Oh, you definitely want to do that before you turn it in. I know you were saying that the stroke around the text is not looking great. To you, one way of fixing that would just to be to move it out, I guess. You know, this is your first time making this, so it's like, I'm not expecting it to be an absolute masterpiece, but we can move it outside of there maybe, and I would say just keep it the same though. I think it looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but... And then with this S, I am not quite sure what is going on with this S compared to this S. But we can always delete this S and just push on this one that we want and Command, or no, let's see, Command C, Command V, and we can just copy paste that other S over, and that's how I would fix that. And definitely make sure to outline this text. I can't remember what else you asked me. Let me take a look. With the smooth tool, I'm not quite sure why that would happen. If you have to go here, yeah, I'm able to select things and then still use the smooth tool on them. But you may have to go back and reselect to use the smooth tool on certain shapes that you're trying to smooth out. You know, just reselecting. You might need to use the white arrow tool instead of the black on certain shapes too. I don't know if it really would make that big of a difference, honestly, but I don't think it will on this particular shape anyway. So I'm not quite sure why that's happening, but you can always reselect and then go back to the smooth tool. And also, if you're having an issue, sometimes just Googling it is a good way to figure out what's going on. But this is looking pretty good. And hopefully that S situation, I'm not quite sure why that was happening, but and these almost don't need a stroke on them. It does make it match better with these if you put a stroke on these as well, because it looks like a thicker font when it doesn't have a stroke on it. It doesn't match this as well. Anyway, other than that, I think this is looking pretty good. Talk to you later.